Hey guys, great job on the workout yesterday. Today's Friday, it's the last workout of the week. I'm really proud of everybody and their commitment to staying fit, staying in game shape. The first thing we're gonna do is hit the warm up. Let's do it. Okay guys, great job on the warm up. So for today, for our foot speed and our quickness drills, we're gonna need this box on the ground. So like I had mentioned yesterday, you need to build this little square, maybe in your garage or wherever you can. And we're gonna use this for doing our jumps and our quick feet drills today. So I'm gonna let you get this set up and come right back and get started. Okay guys, great job on the foot speed drills. Now we're getting into our strength training exercises. So what we've been doing is using our backpacks. Now just remember, it's really, really important. Only put in the backpack what you need to create the resistance that's right for you. Not everybody needs to use the backpack. It's fine, you can do the drills without any weight. That's okay as well. Go ahead, grab your backpacks, load it up with the items you think you need. We'll get ready to go. Great job this week, everybody. I'm really proud of everybody's hard work and dedication. I want you to enjoy your weekend. Saturday and Sunday, let your body recover and rest. And we're going to get back to work on Monday. See everybody then. Bye.